Can you get started? We're already closing the garage. We're going? We salute you. Alright, we're here. We're back with another video for the engine that's been sitting out for, I think it's like 2 months or 3 months. I don't know, maybe the bird will tell you.
He's laughing at us.
The bird's like, no, I'm going to talk, not you. Alright, so we're going to do some spark plugs. I don't even know if they need the spark plugs. I don't remember the last time we did the spark plugs, but I figured since we're going to be upgrading a bunch of parts, we might as well do it. Plus, the engine's out. Since our engine is a boxer engine, it's kind of hard to get the spark plugs in and out while the engine's in the bay. So I figured spend the extra $40 and get them over with today. So I'm going to check something before, because Abram had me all nervous now to make sure that the spark plugs are all, you know, as they should be.
Intact.
So we'll start with the first one here. Abram's not to drop them, so you know that means I'm gonna drop one. Okay, here you go. I'll let you come and scope it out. What do you think?
$5 a gallon. I'll zoom in. There you go.
Looks all right. Okay, all right.
A little lower. Yeah, looks okay.
All right, that's number 3. Now the fun part is going to be having to take off these ignition coils, which off camera I already broke a clip after barely touching the...
You blew on it and like...
Yeah, I basically blinked and thought about it and boom, it exploded. So yeah, that's just the luck here and no winning. Luckily, one of them already had a zip tie on there, so we're going to have to go with that zip tie method.
Oh yeah, looks good.
All right, here's the first clip, zip tie. As you can tell, this clip has been used for a long period of time, that it's been molded into the square shape. This one I literally just broke, so there we go. So maybe we'll start with this one. It's a 12mm.
Oh shit.
Yeah, they're not gardening gloves today. Here's our first ignition coil.
Oh, a gray one?
We'll use this new socket here.
Really came out?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh.
I don't let it drop. Put it close.
It's not too bad.
Oh yeah. Looks like you've done this before. Oh, it's actually purple? That's cool.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
Okay.
God bless America. There we go.
Nice. That's where your spark plug drops in.
Okay. Now we need another zip tie and shape it like this.
Get your square zip ties out.
Square zip ties. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna do this.
I don't even know. There's the plugs, I guess. Oh, you gotta go more.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to.
You got the pliers here.
I know. I'm just trying to get it like just right.
I'm right here. There you go. What was that?
Broke it even more. You broke this other piece.
Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, almost brittle.
You have the cutters? Make it pretty. All the crazies are coming out.
Yeah.
Leave a little slack there for you.
Oh baby.
We just leave the zip ties on the ground. Okay.
Along with all the oil and the coolant and. Right when you think you've had enough, there's more.
Some more coolant comes out.
Oh, this one's like super loose too. Like I use like literally like 0
That's weird.
effort. I think it's gonna have 60. Oh crap.
Don't drop it in there. Damn.
What do you think?
Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
Wash your hand there.
Oh, zoomed in on your hand. Oh, that's not. Okay, go. Oh! Get me wet now. That's why the coolant's coming out. That's good.
Let's see one more. There.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Ready? Here's the issue.
IUD.
Oh!
It's out! Oh, calm down, calm down. Go tell the neighbor.
Yeah, they're trying to record over there. You need to take like a poll on YouTube and be like, when do you cut your grass?
When do you guys cut your grass?
Okay. I think we are done with one side.
Yay.
Okay. Woo! Go flip it around.
I'm ready.
If I can pull it
First
out.
timer over here.
There we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, you need to move the table a little bit more. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, maybe I'm gonna move the table. Okay, ready?
No
Are
clue.
you ready for some moisture?
I'm ready. You okay there?
Yeah, struggling a little bit. There we go. Here we go. Look, let's see this clip. Ready? Let's see how gentle it is. Ready?
Hold on.
Ready? Ready?
There you go.
Oh, that was so pretty. Ding, and it just breaks, touching something else. Damn. Oh. Man.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back after these short messages to pay for this damage we just did. I swear, dude. Oh, sorry.
Tease me.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, that was an easy one too. Nice and smooth, nice and buttery.
Oh no! Oh. Dang. Jesus Christ. What cylinder is that? Two? Oh yeah. Purple.
Purple oil.
Purple slurple. Got the grimace oil. Tight enough. Okay. That's right here.
Oh.
Do a little rubble.
Represent.
Send us some fuel.
Send me something.
Some 85.
Send me some stickers. Shit, something.
And we're gonna get even less miles per gallon.
Yeah. All right, let's see the clip. Ready? Look, I'm not even gonna touch the clip. Oh,
How was that, sir?
oh man, it felt so relieving considering that I have broke every single clip on this damn car. All right, we're down to the last one. We've broken two. Oh no, one was already broken. We broke a second one, so we didn't break the third one. So let's see how the fourth one goes. I haven't touched it yet. Oh,
This could be the one.
nope, it's broken. Look how broken it is, dude. Holy cow.
It's just a barrier.
It's okay. It's always. It wouldn't be funny if it wasn't broken.
Just has it in my hand, like, see?
I didn't see how I'm spraying.
It's okay, I never look.
So now I'm gonna spray in here a little bit, like so it goes.
In there.
Oh shit!
Dang.
There you go. That's what I wanted. Okay, we'll just have to let it sit now.
I have two more cylinders. It looks like they're all clammy. Gross.
Yeah, I don't like. I don't know.
Need the powder ones. Oh, that's a new one. That's probably why.
This one's gonna be a. Okay, ready?
Oh, nice. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is pretty roasted.
Hold on. Oh, shit.
Oh, purple everywhere. Somebody thirsty.
That's good. Beautiful. There.
Who? Me?
It sounded like something else.
The one only decent clip, or second decent clip. Well, that's all I got for this video. We're just, like I said, just doing some spark plugs, trying to take care of this engine, try to prolong it. I figured since we had the engine out, like I mentioned, might as well do the plugs. So this is just the first step of the next few videos that we're gonna do for this car. Hopefully by the next time the next video comes out, we're gonna be doing the release bearing for the clutch system. And then after that, we put in the clutch disc back on the block, and then put the engine back in the car. And then we can start rolling on with the rest of the installs we have. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please help us out. We're super close as of this moment to get to 1,000 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button and yeah, keep an eye out for more. Thanks for watching.